With One UI 2 update for Samsung S9 Plus, Samsung has enabled the DeX with USB cable support. Basically, you no longer need any DeX station or HDMI DeX adapter to display DeX to your PC. For starters, DeX is short form for desktop experience. It is like having a separate OS within your phone which uses the PC's display but your phone's storage and processing power. It won't make any sense if you own a gaming PC, but makes hell lot of sense if you're stuck with low-end PC or you need some extra screen real estate while using some apps in your phone. To use this feature, your phone must be running latest One UI 2 operating system. Your PC should have proper drivers and DeX application installed. I have provided the links in the description. Please check it out. So once you have installed Samsung DeX application and all the necessary drivers, after connecting the USB cable, if everything works correct, there will be a pop-up prompting to start DeX. Click it and boom. The best feature of this Samsung flagship is at your disposal. Let's dive into the world of DeX. DeX is known for productivity and never think about using Microsoft Office. Although it's a good possibility, it will never work without a 365 subscription. For others, here comes the alternative. There was this section in Galaxy Store which is meant for tech supported apps, and I found this gem of an app. Yeah, but with some ads. But works good. It's called Hangcom Office. It has almost all the bells and whistles the Microsoft Office have, less the 365 subscription. Coming to the next section, yeah, you can stream 1080p videos to a bigger display. A better multimedia experience if you ask me. YouTube app works like charm. Some protected content cannot be played through like in Geo app, that is Geo TV app. That's why they are called protected, I think so. Finally, high-end games can technically be played, but I seriously doubt the practicality of the controls. But for games like board games, it's quite useful. It can be used to browse the net and read some ebooks on a large screen. But I think it's fine to use the gorgeous display of the phone itself. Finally, multimedia applications like video editors and photo editors can be used with ease. Talking about multimedia, check out this app. This app is capable of producing animations with absolute ease. Creating good quality animation with this app is only limited by your imagination, time, and perhaps your ability to tolerate ads. So, this is sort of a bonus trick. You can use your phone as a probe by launching the camera application from the DeX PC. Try this out. So, this is the basic UI. It is based on somewhat like tablet look. This DeX option has some DeX specific settings, and this is the app drawer. You can access app from this place, and there are a recent button, home, and back button. And coming to the right side, we have all those status bar icons and options. You can access pretty much every app from this space. You can use any app in this DeX. You can also play games, multimedia apps, edit videos, read ebooks, and you can also watch movies out of this app. So far, DeX is the most productive option Samsung has ever launched with its products, and I am so happy that they have included this in Samsung S9 Plus without the use of HDMI cable or DeX station. One best thing about DeX is that you can use the phone and the PC UI simultaneously. For example, I'm just recording the video from the very same phone from which I am streaming the DeX. to my PC. I can use any app from my phone and at the same time any other app in the text UI. I don't think I can use same app from both of these UIs. So this is a wonderful option if you ask me. And guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to support me. So I will catch you guys with another video on Samsung S9 Plus soon. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe guys. I just need your help. Thank you.